This is Pankaj Sampath from India in Pune. You love my blog. I write lovely posts. I'm doing too many things, you must be thinking. It's okay. I'm doing some of the most interesting businesses, and all three companies are world famous companies. One of them is to save gas. You've seen the video that will follow. We'll tell you about why we need to save gas, how the cost of petrol and diesel is going up, and we can't manage our lives without petrol and diesel. The world runs on fuel, and extreme fuel treatment, XFT as it is world famously known as, is from Syntec Global. It's a 20-year-old organization all over the world, and now we have launched it in India. So find out what is XFT and how it will help your engine life go up and maintenance costs come down less than half and give you mileage more than 25%. And while you use it and share it with people through the multi-level marketing business plan, you can earn huge money sharing it and showing it to people. It's a binary system. Now, I don't intend to tell you about Syntec Global in this video. I intend to tell you that you use videos for whatever you're doing. I'm doing real estate. I use videos for that. I show properties virtually walk through. I'm a total digital man. Yes, I am a virtual man, digital man. I can train you, make videos, beautiful videos, engaging videos, because it is the most powerful way of communicating on the internet, with broadband speeds becoming what they are all over the world. Everybody on the internet is seeing videos. I have a YouTube channel. If you want, you can make your own YouTube channel for free and custom design it with playlists. Go to my YouTube channel. It's there on my blog, and just see how I've organized it. I also use a healing product, which is an energy product called Magic Wand from Amiga Global. Now, I have lots of videos explaining to you how and why they do this magical healing, whatever illness, disease you have. So that's another very good business you can do. You can treat yourself and your people, and you will enjoy doing it and making money as well. So I am into three businesses: Magical Wand, that is for healing, that is Amiga Global; Extreme Fuel Technology, XFT from Syntec Global; my real estate. And all this I do it virtually through Talk Fusion. So the best and the biggest business, of course, is Talk Fusion from USA, Florida. Do check out Talk Fusion and tell you what powerful 8 video communication systems you get. A live broadcasting system like your own TV channel. Billions of people can, at the snap of fingers from anywhere in the world, join together live as if they are collected in one room. That's the power of video, and that's what I want to show you, that you make blogs and put videos and you are connected with the whole world. You do your branding. So I just intended to tell you, watch the videos that follow. You'll come to know about XFT, you'll come to know about Talk Fusion, and for Amiga Global, you go to my YouTube channel and keep coming to my blog, pankajsampath.blogspot.com, and meet me, and I will share with you some of the most interesting technologies that are coming every day, new and new technologies, and I am going to teach you all this virtually, digitally on my e-video learning classrooms. Thank you. I'm Pankaj Sampath from Pune. My cell number is +91 for India, +91 9860151318. And of course, my blog is always there. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere, but everywhere through videos. And I encourage you to use videos and create your YouTube channel and take my help on my e-learning classes. See you all. That's Extreme Fuel behind, and that's Sai Baba behind. Bye-bye. Love you.
What makes Talk Fusion so exceptional is that it has everything. We've got everything in one place here. We've got the company, we've got the products, we've got the compensation plan, but we've got a management team that really is the foundation of what we do here. Without that, I don't care how good your products are, if your corporate structure is not solid, you're not going to have success.
I was so motivated to start Talk Fusion. I'm a stay-at-home mom. The convenience of it, being at home, working around my family, and my home life, it was just a perfect fit for me.
Oh wow, I was really motivated to join Talk Fusion because I needed something different in my life. I wanted to change where I was at. I'm sick of being sick and tired. I'm sick of just being average. I want to be more.
Talk Fusion gives us the opportunity to travel, to affect people's lives, to earn extra money after our retirement. And so that's the exciting part.
And it's exciting to see people's lives changed.
Oh, the opportunity excites me most. I mean, the timing is great, the products are awesome. The opportunity is unlike anything else I've seen in my 20 years in this industry.
With Talk Fusion, it is so exciting that they are the only company in the industry with instant pay. This is totally a life changer.
Oh, I'll tell you what, that's what got me hooked. I signed up my best friend. Within 2 minutes, I got an email. I called him up. I said, hey, man, you just signed up. I got paid.
Because it's instant gratification, and a lot of people today, they really need that money so they can show somebody, look, I just got paid today. How wonderful is that?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, people work all week long to get paid sometimes at the end of the week or 2 weeks or a month. The fact that we can help people make money now is very powerful.
With Talk Fusion, I plan on building a huge successful business. These products are incredible. I've never seen anything like this. The response I'm getting from people is outstanding.
When somebody opens a Talk Fusion video for the first time and the excitement that happens, it's amazing. The feedback I've gotten from people, the emotion, the connection. Personally, in my own family, my mother lives 1,000 miles away and I send her videos.
What I love most about the Talk Fusion experience is the simplicity in the product, how easy it is.
Talk Fusion has the products, the fun. I mean, it's so much to get involved with and have fun with and have a passion for the opportunity, helping people and sharing the products. It's dynamite.
I'm a big advocate of the deaf, and the deaf have always looked for an opportunity to create their financial dreams. And in this world, in their world, they think that they are the minority. They don't feel they have a voice. They don't feel they can communicate very well with the average person. I have looked for the opportunity for them just to help them. My dream is to bring them happiness. It's just what I have as a vision for those people. And when I found Talk Fusion, I found an opportunity to show them a way to interact and to have a good time doing it, but also to have a financial help in doing so.
I feel that I can achieve my goals with Talk Fusion, my personal and financial goals with Talk Fusion, because I'm set up to win. I have everything I need right in front of me. It's exciting, people see it and they love it, and I just want to tell everybody.
Talk Fusion's just incredible. It's going to allow us to really achieve our goals and dreams. Just the fact that for the first time we have an opportunity to be part of something that hasn't been done yet in the industry.
Well, I've owned my own business for 20 years, and when I was introduced to Talk Fusion, I realized that after 20 years I didn't have, thousands and thousands of dollars in the bank, and I didn't understand leverage. We got up and went to work and got paid when we went to work. After just a few short years in Talk Fusion, I quickly realized the power of having a lot of people doing a little bit, contributing to my income, and it's just changed my life and my family's life forever.
What excites me most is I don't have to lay sod anymore and drive a semi-truck without any air conditioning in the state of Florida, and most importantly, I can spend a lot of time with my little boys and my lovely wife.
I'm so excited to build my future with Talk Fusion because I can actually see that it's possible.
I am so excited to be going with Talk Fusion, and I just can't wait to see where this is going to take me.
Instant pay, phenomenal management, phenomenal product. I mean, it doesn't get any better, folks. So
you can attain every financial goal and dream you have through residual income, and that's how I plan to build my financial future.
With the instant pay, with this compensation plan, with a global business, there's no doubt, and with the mentorship of Bob Reyna, there's no doubt that we can get to our goals there.